Tired of waiting in long coffee shop lines? Your morning routine shouldn't start with frustration. Inconsistent flavor, messy machines, wasted time. Does your home espresso lack cafe quality? Struggling to get the perfect crema every time? Milk frothing feels complicated and unpredictable. Wish you could customize your coffee easily? Meet the Breville Barista Touch espresso machine. Click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. Beans to espresso in under 1 minute. Integrated grinder with dose control for maximum flavor. Low-pressure pre-infusion ensures balanced extraction. ThermoJet heating system heats up in just 3 seconds. Digital temperature control for precise espresso every time. Auto steam wand delivers barista-quality microfoam. Create latte art at home with ease. Touchscreen simplifies everything. Grind, brew, milk. Easily adjust coffee strength, milk texture, temperature. Save up to 8 personalized coffee recipes. 5 pre-programmed cafe favorites at your fingertips. No more guessing, just tap and enjoy. Before, struggling with old machines, bland coffee. After, cafe-quality drinks personalized for you. Before, waiting for water to heat up. After, ready to brew in 3 seconds. Before, inconsistent milk foam, no latte art. After, silky microfoam, beautiful latte art. Before, limited choices, no customization. After, full control over every cup. Before, messy counters, complicated cleanup. After, streamlined accessories for easy maintenance. Includes stainless steel portafilter and filter baskets. Comes with cleaning kit and water hardness test strip. Large bean hopper and water tank for convenience. Adjustable grind control for perfect texture. Programmable milk temperature and texture settings. 1 or 2 shots, hot water options available. 2-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Powerful 1680 watts, 110 to 120 voltage compatibility. Brushed stainless steel design fits any kitchen. Ideal for coffee enthusiasts and home baristas. Perfect for tech-savvy users who love customization. Enjoy third-wave specialty coffee at home. Receive 2 free bags of specialty coffee. Register your Breville machine to claim this offer. Terms and conditions apply for coffee promotion. Upgrade your mornings with cafe-quality drinks. No more compromises, taste the difference. Effortless brewing every single day. Impress friends with personalized coffee creations. Make your kitchen the new coffee destination. Stop settling for average espresso at home. Experience the Breville Barista Touch difference. Ready for better coffee? Click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. Transform your coffee routine today. Breville Barista Touch, where technology meets taste. Make every cup a masterpiece. Order yours now.